Businesses of all sizes are experiencing increased data demands, and often end-user employees lack the tools or can't get the information they need to make informed decisions. The IT organization is searching for solutions which provide end users the flexibility and tools they need to get the job done, while at the same time allowing IT to retain some measure of security and control. The HP Business Decision Appliance, optimized for Microsoft SQL Server and Microsoft SharePoint Server, is one of the latest in a family of solutions that are designed to meet business intelligence needs of our customers. The appliance simplifies the procurement process, makes deployment and management trouble-free, and enables end users to quickly create and share their valuable business insights. The HP Business Decision Appliance comes as a completely integrated and optimized hardware-software solution. Setting it up is as simple as finding a location for the appliance, connecting the network cable, and attaching 2 power cords to the power supplies. Powering up the appliance, the Quick Deployment Tool Wizard is launched, and the user is ready to begin the installation process. Via a short series of keystrokes, the Quick Deployment Tool Wizard provides step-by-step instructions for joining the appliance to the corporate domain, accepting the end-user licenses by checking a box, and then specifying the appliance administrator by completing a few fields. During the final phase of setup, the domain service account is specified, as is the SharePoint Farm security passphrase, which are used in the actual installation. Depending on the IT environment, it generally takes less than 1 hour from powering up the appliance to the time it's ready to support user access to the data analysis and information sharing. Once operational, the HP Business Decision Appliance simplifies the common administrative tasks associated with the maintenance of the appliance, and keeps the self-service BI applications up to date and secured. One of the unique elements of the appliance is the specific management plugin. The plugin provides operating system level information such as uptime, disk space usage, backup status, and version information all in a convenient location. In addition, the plugin creates the ability to perform operating system level tasks such as backup and restore, power management functions, and even restoring the appliance to a factory fresh state. And because the appliance is based on the industry-leading HP ProLiant server, the power of the HP Insight Control Suite can be tapped for quick identification of any issues via the System Management homepage, including the ability to remotely access the appliance even when it's turned off via the integrated Lights Out 3 system. Now that you've seen how simple it is to start up and manage the appliance, let's take a look at it from a typical user experience. From a user's perspective, building, sharing, and accessing Business Insight has never been easier. Using Microsoft Excel 2010 together with the new Power Pivot add-in provides enhanced business intelligence capabilities and the ability to manipulate many times the data than end users were able to previously. The connectivity features of Power Pivot make it easier for end users to incorporate new data sources into their solutions, whether from inside or outside the company. The appliance supports up to 80 concurrent users, and users can sort, filter, and manipulate huge tables, hundreds of millions of rows of data in the blink of an eye. With the introduction of data slicers, users can create business solutions that make it easier for others to drill into the data without having to perform their own analysis or write new reports. And when it comes time to share analysis and reports across the organization, the HP Business Decision Appliance comes preloaded with SharePoint 2010, making it easy for users to collaborate and share their insights with their colleagues. Once in SharePoint 2010's secure environment, any authorized user can navigate to the Power Pivot Gallery, which was created on the HP Business Decision Appliance. The Power Pivot Gallery graphically displays a library of published workbooks and is also where schedules are created to automatically refresh the data in those workbooks. Each Power Pivot workbook is represented as a group of page images, and opening one is simple as double-clicking on it. This allows a user to manipulate a shared workbook via his browser, using the Excel calculation services in SharePoint. Selecting a slicer will cause the workbook to recalculate the page and then redisplay it. At this point, the end user does not need to have Power Pivot installed locally or even Office 2010. He is simply taking benefit of the shared work of others. In summary, the HP Business Decision Appliance is one of the quickest and easiest ways to implement a robust business intelligence solution.